Come in. Welcome to our villa, right in the heart of Seminyak. You can see you've got a nice S-shaped pool.
Sort of an S shape.
Yeah, for
I guess you'd
squiggly
call it
lines.
that, yes.
Lovely little garden area, super green. Pretty much out here every day.
Here we are,
Tanning.
with a nice tree there.
The one just like it over there.
This is where Sabrina lays
Every day it's sunny, pretty much.
yeah, which it hasn't been recently.
My area.
My new flip-flops.
I know, it took almost 2 years to convince Anthony to get some flip-flops. So yeah. So we've got our little living room area.
Nice living room.
Yeah.
Beautiful high ceilings.
TV setup.
We really like the decoration in here, didn't
Yeah, it's like Polynesian style, isn't it? This is a sofa we never use. This is where we always sit. We use these bean bags. We have a little BBQ over there.
This is our dining area. We use the dining table maybe once a month. So our water tank, you didn't have one of those in Vietnam. It's a lifesaver.
Great for making cups of tea.
Yeah, it does hot.
Yeah, if you're too lazy to boil the kettle.
Which we are.
Which we are. Nice kitchen setup.
This is just
Pantry area.
kind of pantry thing, yeah. Bit ghetto out here. And then we got another outdoor section. We bought a barbecue recently. This thing, which is pretty rad.
Oh yeah, we've used that about 4 times now, haven't we?
Yeah, we're
Love
cooking it all the time. Probably once a weekend we have a barbecue, don't we?
Yeah, super nice, super chill.
Nice little outdoor bit. This is a pretty cool tree.
Some massive plant.
If anyone knows what that is,
Hit us up.
hit us up because it's nuts.
There's 2 of them as well.
Yeah, there is 2. This is the pool.
Please do not.
Please donut. So it's 3 bedrooms.
It is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms.
3 bedrooms, 3
As you
bathrooms.
can see, there's just the 2 of us,
There's
so we're
just the
just
2 of
little
us.
greedy.
We mainly moved in here because the outdoor space is massive, isn't it?
Exactly.
It's right in the perfect area as well in Seminyak. Everything is close by. You've got Bintang just down the road, which is like a supermarket.
Yeah.
There's a good butcher's just across the road where we can get all
Just good quality meat.
good quality meats and stuff like that. And obviously the outdoor space is just crazy.
Yeah, we spend a lot of time outside. So this place, when we saw it, we were like, okay, we found
need to get
the
it, yeah.
one. Yeah. Love it.
Let's start with the bedrooms. Each bedroom has its own bathroom.
This is bedroom number 1.
This is bedroom number 1. We actually we were started off in this bedroom, but this place has quite a lot of critters, doesn't it?
It does. It has a lot of tenants that don't pay rent, doesn't it?
So this bedroom is particularly noisy. It's the nicest bedroom though, isn't it?
It is.
But
There's no noise from like the pub down the road from this room really, but because we have guests here all the time, we've decided against
sleeping in
this
here.
room. But it is probably the nicest one, I'd say.
Definitely. So this room is essentially turned into more of just our storage space, isn't
Storage
it?
space, yeah. And our closet.
And our closet. It's got a lovely... I really like how it's decorated in here.
It is super nice. I really like how the wood is blue painted wood.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's really, really nice. There's a little garden there as well.
A lovely bed.
Nice high ceilings again.
Nice. Very beautiful. This is our kind of, well, yeah, walk-in
wardrobe sort
of
vibe.
thing, yeah. Nice double, whatever you want to call
Sink.
that, double sink.
His and hers.
Yeah, for him and her.
Nice little shower spot.
Nice shower. None of them have got baths, unfortunately.
No baths. You're a bath kind of guy. I'm a shower kind of gal. But
this is open.
oh.
No wonder there's critters in here.
These are
this is a little random
little oasis.
home away from home.
Yeah.
You've never been out here, have you?
Yeah, this is a really cute area. The
Love.
other bathroom has access to it.
Yeah.
It's got a super nice
Door.
door there.
Wherever that goes.
Can't open it.
Got no idea where that goes, have
No,
we?
no idea. Never will.
Never will. Never have. Second bedroom.
Numero dos.
Where's the bloody light? So that one had critters in it. This one, the TV doesn't work, so we didn't stay in this one. So on the first night when we got here, we first went into the first one, and we were like, crap, we can't stay in here. The TV doesn't work in this one, well the remote doesn't work.
Yeah.
So then we were like, crap, we can't stay in here either.
So yeah, this one is never really used. Nice little mirror.
Lovely, yeah, I like this mirror. One of my favourite mirrors.
Yeah, you like this room the most, didn't you? I think out of all of them.
That was a bit wobbly. Won't play
Nice
back
little
to that.
vase.
Nice thing, pillar.
Partition part.
Partition, exactly. I love this window.
Yeah, this window is very nice. You
Yeah.
get the sun in the morning coming in here.
And the little garden. This has got the nicest bathroom of all of them, by miles.
I really like the green. Toilet. Nice light.
This one's just massive, though, isn't it? It's huge.
It is. And it's got the most light in it, hasn't it? Because of the big windows.
Yeah.
All the other bathrooms, the windows aren't as big.
And that's the garden there, which you could see the broom came out of that door earlier. Over there. Yeah, I guess that really sums that one up, doesn't it?
This one's got one basin.
One basin, yeah, but it's quite an edgy basin.
Cute mirror.
Yeah.
Nice little artwork. I really like these. What would you even call this? It's like a storage area essentially. That it looks really nice.
All of these were just custom made to go in here.
Yeah, they're all different colours, aren't they?
And shapes. And
yeah.
They're pretty cool. It reminds me of the Flintstones.
It does.
We're kind of bullied by the critters around here, to be honest.
They rule the house.
We're succumbing to it really badly as well, because now there was at the start just little lizards. Now there's two massive geckos. So when it comes to about 5 PM, we have to get out of here because there's a lot of insects about. Mosquitoes are going crazy.
Yeah, bloodsuckers.
Little suckers. But yeah, we'll show you the humble abode where we stay.
Yeah. Our room of choice.
And I think this room is really nice. The bed is absolutely lovely.
Yes, it is indeed.
I think it's probably the worst room out of them all, based on the fact that it's like the guest room.
The guest room, yeah. But still really big. TV works.
TV does work.
Hook the laptop up to it, don't we?
You're not going to get eaten in here either, which is
Yeah.
always good.
Aircon is
Good.
facing the bed, so that feels lovely when it's too hot.
This is the bathroom.
Yeah, lovely 2 basins and mirror.
I really like this sink. You were
Yeah.
saying about the Flintstone
Oh
house.
yeah,
This
it's
is
got
much-
a blue theme, this
Yeah.
bathroom.
Not sure what was going on with the
Beach hut vibes.
beach.
Mine's
hut
also
vibes.
Brighton.
Yeah, about Brighton or Hastings there.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know.
Nice high ceilings again.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. One of our many
Friends.
friends.
I mean, all in all, it's lovely. I mean, you need to keep in mind that it's 15 years old, this villa. And I personally don't think you'd think it was that old.
No, it's really looked after, isn't it?
It is.
Maintained very well.
The floors are a little bit...
Creaky, but when we get torrential rain, it comes all the way in to the floor here, so yeah, it's not too bad. You can hear someone coming from a mile away.
Yeah, if you know if you know the area at all, Seminyak Beach is literally just 5 minutes down there. Kuta Beach is about 10 minutes down there. Bintang Supermarket is about 5 minutes, maybe even less than that way.
Yeah, definitely. Circle K down the road.
Yeah, it's super central.
It is super central, super quiet, super chill. Yeah, it's like our own little world, isn't it?
It is.
Living here, yeah, love it.
Love it. So that's the end of the tour.
Yeah.
So we were just thinking what the price is. It was it's about $650 a month, isn't it?
Yes, including electric, isn't it?
Including electric, including everything. To be fair.
Yeah, all included. Yeah.
And the only thing we have to buy is we do a meat shop every week, which is like 25 quid.
25.
And we get
water
tank.
Water.
It's £1, and that normally lasts us a week as well.
Yeah, it does.
And then a veg shop, something about 25 quid a week.
Mhm.
It's super cheap, isn't it? When you think about it.
It is.
We do cane
You
for
get a lot for your money.
Yeah. We have a barbecue every week though, which canes through the meat, which is what
Yeah.
we're gonna do
Yeah,
now.
gonna make a homemade coleslaw.
Gonna marinate some meats and get it going. Maybe have some
Yeah.
cheeky Captain Morgans and Cokes.
Exactly, and then play around in the pool. So see you there.
This is Sabrina's speciality. She loves making a good coleslaw, don't you, Zaz?
It's the only thing you eat. No, I'm joking.
Yeah.
It's your favourite thing to eat. This bowl is not big enough, but yeah.
So is it
Nice and colourful.
onion, apple, cabbage, carrot, salt, pepper, vinegar.
Christ.
Obviously there will be mayonnaise in there and some
Oh,
mustard.
God. We're gonna have to separate that for sure.
Okay, yeah, so we found a pot. This is much more sensible.
Yeah, I know. I was like, oh, I don't know if we can do this.
Some mustard and mayo in there.
Some paprika as well.
Some paprika.
Put that for now. Got a lemon.
And that lemon.
Yeah.
After a little bit of coriander and parsley, it is
Yes.
done. Making some kebabs.
Yeah, so what was it? Honey, mustard, chicken kebabs with...
Salt, pepper, lemon and lemon zest.
Yes, gorgeous.
Beautiful.
So there's one complete kebab. Gorgeous. A cute one.
And we're done. Look at
Dunzo.
these bad boys.
Pretty light. So Anthony's obviously much more of a fire starter than I am. Seems to be getting somewhere. These things always take a long while. Oh, you got so much charcoal on your forehead. It's gonna be an all day affair.
It's gonna be an all-day
isn't
lunch
it?
and dinner.
Yeah, because we've got burger patties, pittas.
Brunch, lunch and dinner. A banana.
For dinner.
A banana.
Sun's come out.
Sun's come out.
It did actually rain earlier.
It did rain.
We took
This is why we've got this.
It was originally over there, and it's quite funny. We should have filmed the way we transported it, but we had to take it over the pool because obviously we can't really take it down.
So I had this in my hands inside the pool.
And I had to
super
run
heavy, to be fair, isn't it?
all the way around here to receive it and put it into there.
Yeah.
But yeah, smashed it.
Yeah. Set and ready to go.
Everything is here.
Got this beautiful coleslaw. Got some salsa verde from when we had tacos the other night.
Sort of salsa verde.
Yes, sort of, yeah.
More like a red verde.
Pineapple. Got all of our mixed veg. We've got those skewers that we made. We've got burgers. We've got sausages. We've got some massive thigh. We've also got some wings. All the assortments. We've got some Carolina Gold sauce. We've got some barbecue sauce. We've got the Captain Morgans, the beer, the barbecue, the pool.
Now we're just waiting for 5 other people to turn up.
And then we got some lovely bread. Got ourselves some cheese. We've got, well, I'd say a bucket of ice. It's obviously a frying pan of ice. The meat, we found a really good meat place. We're in Seminyak and we found a really good butcher's.
Oh, yeah, Osbrits.
It's called Osbrits. It's
so
really...
they do really good quality meat. They have loads of fridges full of pork,
Everything.
chicken, beef, steaks,
Lamb. We'll film as we go, probably.
Yeah, I don't know what we're going to start with. Maybe the chicken. Cheers.
Cheers.
Just the weekend. So at the moment we've got the honey, mustard and lemon. Oh no, this is cute. On the grill at the moment. And the big boy. Chicken thigh. Sweet.
Some that Carolina Gold.
Woo!
For any of the Americans from Carolina, you got the best sauce ever. Congratulations.
It's banging, isn't it?
That's what we live for.
Got a lovely char on the wings and the chicken thigh.
Trying to burn it off as quick as I put it
I
on.
know, literally. Every mouthful you do 2 laps. Oh, I thought you were going to jump in again for me. Oh, oh no! Whoa, my god. Yeah, we've got our chicken thigh all cut up here. Rest of the skewers and the 3 chicken wings. Put some tomatoes on the barbie. Come to the conclusion after cooking all of the chicken that we aren't going to eat any of the sausages or burgers, so I think we might as well put these in the fridge, right? Have a little splash about. So we are taking the drone out. I say we, but I mean Anthony is. I don't know how to actually fly the thing because I'm too scared and I have no coordination whatsoever. But yeah, I'm gonna fly it and just have a look at the surrounding area, I think. Sick.
Sabrina's first time flying the drone.
Yes. I'm not looking forward to it.
The whole time, diagonal inward.
Can I stop there?
Yeah, stop there.
Can I turn now? Just look around.
Yeah, so this is move around it, then left to right is turn.
Turn.
Yeah, there you go. One.
Can I record a bit?
Yeah.
Have I done a full circle yet?
Yeah, definitely.
I haven't seen this yet. Sick. Now it's on 9%, that's crazy.
Well, it landed by itself because it ran out of battery.
Oh, okay, that's...
That's
well,
lucky.
at least it was already on the ground, pretty much.
How was that?
To be honest, I wasn't as good as I thought I would be. So guys, we're moving back the parasol, I guess you would call it. I don't know how else to explain it, but yeah. So, okay, here we go. Oh my god.
Oh, is that going?
What's happening? Oh my god.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed our villa tour. We've had fun showing you around. Like, comment, subscribe as always.
Definitely. So yeah, see you in our next one.
Peace.
Bye guys.